This is a Han Dynasty stone relief unearthed in Yibin. Beneath the curtains, two figures sit facing each other, toasting joyfully. On the table to the left and hanging are two fish, the Yangtze sturgeons in the Yangtze River. They once witnessed dinosaurs roaming this ancient continent, surviving over 100 million years of time so as to earn the well-deserved title of living fossils. The mighty Yangtze River surges with rolling waves in a superior water condition in the Yibin Ridge, serves as their natural spawning ground. However, due to changes in the ecological environment of the Yangtze River, this life-threatening migration has come to a halt. In 2000, the Yangtze sturgeons eased their natural breeding. In July 2022, the International Union for Conservation of Nature announced the Yangtze sturgeons is extinct and wild. The last 18 wild Yangtze sturgeons have become the living relics in the Yangtze River. A team has traveled 240,000 kilometers. What are they guarding? A series of numbers are repeatedly recorded. What is he observing? Two generations have dedicated themselves for 30 years. What are they upholding? In the 1990s, Zhou Liang and his father Zhou Shiwu resolutely embarked on the exploration of artificial conservation and breeding of sturgeons. These two sturgeon enthusiasts have passed the baton over 3 decades, pioneering the large-scale artificial breeding of the Yangtze sturgeons. Science dad Zhou Bo gave up a well-paid and promising career to return to his hometown. Over 20 years, he has led a research team to work on the front lines of the Yangtze River. They have achieved an astonishing breakthrough, increasing the annual production of fish fry from just a few dozen in the past to over 1 million today, enabling more than 500,000 Yangtze sturgeons back to the Yangtze River. River guardian Zhou Tao leads a public welfare fish protection team composed of former fishermen. Over 8 years, they have covered a patrol distance of 240,000 kilometers, equivalent to circling the Earth 6 times, and rescued a total of 473 Yangtze sturgeons. In addition to the effort of these ordinary people, national strength is also contributing to artificial conservation, stock enhancement and release, and assisted patrols. In 2024, under the guidance of the Yangtze River Fisheries Administration Office of the Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Affairs, Yibin, in collaboration with multiple research teams, carried out the natural spawning ground renovation and natural breeding experiment in natural waters. Achieving remarkable achievements, the Yangtze sturgeons successfully laid eggs and hatched. As an important water conservation area in the upper reaches of the Yangtze River, Yibin has integrated the protection of the clear water into the city's sustainable development, demonstrating both courage and wisdom. As the last switch pipe was removed, 197 pollution sources exited the stage. Power batteries, crystalline silicon photovoltaics, and the digital economy have taken their place. Yibin has bid farewell to its past of extensive industrial development with its new positioning as a pioneer in green development, ushering in a future led by the new quality productive forces. A 91-kilometer green corridor continues to stretch along banks of the Yangtze River, seemingly competing with the consistently stable Class 2 clear water quality in the river to see which can become even better and more abundant. Good water nurtures rare fish. Within the National Nature Reserve for rare and endemic fish in the upper reaches of the Yangtze River, The number of fish species monitored has risen from 48 in 2019 to 92 at present. The seeds of life drift downstream, giving rise to new ecological growth rates.